Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to this little makeup family of ours here on YouTube. I recently signed up for IPSY, so today we are doing an unboxing and try on. And what IPSY is, it's basically a beauty box subscription, and this one specifically is $25 and you get 5 full-size custom beauty products just for you. They also have a cheaper one. I think it's like $12. I'm not really sure, but you get 5, I think it's deluxe samples in a beauty bag. And then I think they're coming out with a Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50. And I'm pretty sure you get like, what, 12 full-size products. I'm not completely sure on that, but that's just a guess. Okay, so let's open it on up. It's so cute. So right there it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. I think that is so cute. And they have a theme every month, and this month's theme is on this little card that they place right in there with it. And it says, find your light. September's all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? And then inside it has all of the products that they picked out for you, and basically the details, how much they cost and what's inside them and all that good stuff. So the first thing they sent me is this I Do Care Disco Kitten face mask, and it's an illuminating diamond peel-off mask. So fancy. It is originally $23, and it says this luminous, super satisfying peel-off formula moisturizes, calms, exfoliates, and brightens. Diamond powder boosts elasticity, so it says to put on a generous amount and then let it dry so you can peel it off. But it's really cute. It looks like that. And then when you open it up, it just has a little tab thing just so it stays nice and that's satisfying. And I don't know if you can see in there, but it is like, I don't want to pour it everywhere, but it is like shiny. Like you can see that it has diamond powder in it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that with nothing other than a beautiful baby spoon. I'm gonna go ahead and use my fancy little clips here and just pin back my hair so it doesn't get in the mask. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna see. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Wow, that feels really good actually. It feels like really cold and nice. And the smell is kind of strong. I don't, it's so strong. It's definitely floral in my opinion, but it's so strong that it kind of almost feels like you're tasting perfume, which I'm not a huge fan of, but who doesn't love to mask? Some of my best memories from high school are just hanging out with my girlfriends, doing a face mask. Good times. Okay, I'm kind of noticing that as I'm applying it, the smell is kind of disappearing. So it's definitely, even though it smells strong at first, it's not super overwhelming. Wow, I look like a weirdo, but I won't lie, this feels really good. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it dry and then I'll come back when I peel it off. So I feel like the Tin Man from Wizard of Oz right now. I literally can't move my face. I don't know if you can tell, but it still feels like that really cooling effect. But yeah, let's peel this baby off because I literally feel like I got Botox all over my face and my face is just stuck like this. Okay, oh, wow. Oh, okay, I guess it's not completely dried right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's pulling out my little hairs. Okay, so obviously it wasn't completely dry, but I was a little bit impatient, so yeah. But my face does look nice, like the parts that still aren't covered in mask. So yeah, I'm just gonna go wash the rest of this off and I'll be right back again. Okay, I really liked that, not gonna lie. I would 100% recommend that. Like, that was a good experience. And you cannot tell on camera at all, but it does like leave the slightest glitzy shimmer to your skin. Anyways, moving on to the next product. Actually, JK. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some foundation because the rest of our products are kind of an after foundation thing. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by prepping my skin with some primer. This is the Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. This stuff smells like those candies that are watermelon, that are sour. So good. It doesn't stay long though, which is good. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in the shade Medium Nude, and I'm just putting that under my eyes. Then I'm just grabbing my wet beauty sponge and I'm going to just tap that out to brighten and conceal the under eye. Now I'm just gonna quickly set that with my COTY Airspun powder in the shade Naturally Neutral. And then I'm just gonna grab my beauty sponge again and just go right under the eye and set that really quick so that we don't get any creasing and it becomes super soft and smooth. You guys, I am such an idiot. I forgot that I got the powder in the IPSY box. So anyways, we're just gonna go over on top of that and see how it looks, and then just add a little bit of concealer on the forehead, the chin, and the nose, and try it on there to see how it looks. But anyways, this is the CIATE London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. And it's super cute. And it comes with a little tab that you have to peel off if I can find it. There it is. This is just a regular translucent setting powder. Put some concealer right here, down the nose, on the chin. Blend that in. Blend, 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 blend. And the powder. Anyways, I'm just gonna dip my beauty sponge in there and I'm gonna go under the eyes again. This one is a bit lighter, so it says it's translucent, but it probably brightens a bit too because it looks a little bit pigmented. Obviously, it's kind of white. There's so much powder flying around everywhere. And while that's just baking for a sec, I'm gonna read you what it says on the little card. It is a value of $22, and it says, this ultra blendable translucent powder from formula-driven innovators CIATE London is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft, focused finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. Okay, and then I'm just gonna grab a fluffy brush and just wipe off the excess of that. Definitely gives a matte finish. I will say I like it. It definitely is matte, but it makes your skin look super soft. It's not like the cakey matte feeling, so this is a good one. Like, I'm not even a matte finish girl, and I'm like kind of digging this, so that says something about it. Okay, next from the IPSY box, we have this OFRA Cosmetics by Madison Miller Midi Palette Miller Squad. So let's just open it on up. And it looks like this. And you open it up. And those are gorgeous. These are 2 highlighters and then 1 blush. Super, super pretty. Let's swatch this stuff. Okay, here is the first highlighter. That is so pretty. The blush. The blush is really pretty too. And then the last highlighter looks like that. It's a little bit more of a champagne-y color, and I really love both of the highlights. They're so pretty, as well as the blush. So yeah, let's pop these on and see how they look on the face. I'm going to apply some bronzer real quick. I'm just gonna use the MAC bronzer in medium tan. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab some of this blush shade and go right in. It is looking really pretty already. It's not too pigmented, so it's not like you go in with one dab and you put it on there and it's like, I did not mean to put that much on. It looks like a really good build, just the perfect amount so you get just what you want. And it says the value of this palette is $35. So you can see that with this IPSY subscription, you actually get like some bang for your buck. Okay, I think that looks really, really pretty. Now we are going to do some highlight, and I think I'm gonna go into this slightly pinker one that is right here. And I'm just gonna swirl my brush around in that, and I'm just going to apply it like so. Ooh, that is pretty, you guys. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay, new favorite highlighting formula. Holy cow, this is gorgeous. The camera does not do it justice, you guys. You guys need this, for real. Like, I'm not lying. I'm not just saying that. This is beautiful. Wow. I've heard lots of good things about the OFRA highlighters, but holy cow, this is on another level. Okay, this was hands down amazing. My favorite thing so far. Okay, next from the IPSY box, we have Wander Beauty Wanderess Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. And it says that this was inspired by turquoise waters and sea breezes. And it comes at a price of $25. So let's open this up if I can. Okay, there we go. So it looks like that. Then you open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, those look so pretty. Let's swatch them, shall we? Okay, so this first color here is called Champagne Harbor. Looks like that. So pretty. Kind of like a yellow golden color. And then there's this pink one. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Holy. That one was called Sea Salt, by the way. And then this one right here is called Golden Reef, and it literally feels like liquid metal when I'm swatching it. That's what that one looks like. Still so gorgeous. Then we have this one, Sand Dollar, which is a matte shade in the palette, and it looks like that. Okay, and then we have Sea Foam, and this one feels that metally texture as well, and it's super pretty. And then we have this satin shade right here. I think these three were satin, and it's a dark blue called Coastal, and it looks like that. So pretty. I didn't mean to flip you off. That was not my intention. Okay, those felt super high quality, so I am ready to dig into this palette. So I'm just going to go in with the matte shade called Sand Dollar and just go right into the crease. Just gonna put that right there using windshield wiper motions and just blending that out. And same on this side, just blending that out into the crease. Okay, and since I'm feeling a little bit of a pink vibe today, as you can see from what I'm wearing, I'm just gonna go into the shade Sea Salt and put that all over my lid. I'm just gonna grab some on my brush here, and I'm going to just put that all over my lid. I'm noticing that it does a bit better if you tap a little bit more than you swipe, but it is applying really beautifully. Okay, and now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with Sea Foam, which is this greenish color, and I am just gonna pop that onto the inner part of my top lid. I mean, inner corner of my top lid or whatever. Okay, now I'm just gonna go back into the matte color called Sand Dollar, and I'm just gonna soften that edge back up. And then I'm gonna put the green color on my lower lash line, just for, I mean, it's not, the color's not super overwhelming, so it's not a super big pop, but just for some contrast. And I'm also going to put a little bit of the brown color on the outer part. Okay, wow. I love that. That is so pretty, you guys. I love how it turned out. I love the pink. Okay, now I'm just gonna pop on some brows and some mascara and lashes, and then we will get to the final, I'm sorry, I can't talk today. And then we'll get to the final product from our IPSY GLAM bag. Okay, now lastly, we have a lipstick, and it is the ILLAMASQUA Antimatter lipstick in Solar. And it comes in a little package that looks like this. Anyways, let's open it up. And the actual component looks like this. It's square, very shiny, pretty. It has their logo on the top and the color on the bottom. And this comes at a value of $27 for this lipstick. It's a super pretty kind of corally pink color. It says that this formula is non-drying and it has immediate color payoff, and it's infused with vitamin E so that it conditions lips for a creamy application. Let's try it out. Okay, that is really creamy and I love it. Like, I know this like sounds far-fetched, but I really did like everything that came in this month's box. And this lipstick, like, it's matte looking, but I have super dry lips, so it's hard for me to wear matte. But I think I can pull this off because it is so, so, so creamy. Pretty. I am one happy girl right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off by setting my face with the Hangover 3-in-1 by Too Faced. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's video. I overall really loved everything I got in this box today. Especially the OFRA palette by Madison with the highlights and blush. I think that was my favorite overall. But yeah, I think this box is so worth it. I'm loving it. I'm so excited that I signed up for it. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the look we came out with it today. I love it, love it, love it, love it so much. I think it looks so fresh and pretty, and I'm just living for it, really. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know what videos you want to see next down in the comment section. Thanks, guys. Love you. See ya.